For the final trade of the day, Mike Shorr, Prosper Trading Academy is good to go on this Fed day. Good to see you, Mike. And what's your Fed strategy?
This is what I like to call it a play the edges type of day, which means that if things get too high, sell it. Things get too bad, buy it. Because usually the market is going to digest what has come out. And then things obviously are going to switch very, very quickly once Jerome Powell starts talking at 1:30 in the afternoon. And don't try and fade a big move on Powell. I mean, hopefully you're able to catch what he's saying, hear what he's saying, and then see the prices that are coming out. And you really have to start looking at daily charts, even if you are day trading, because if he says something bearish, we're not talking about what happened at 10 o'clock this morning. And if he's bullish, we're still not talking about what happened at 10 o'clock this morning. We're looking at bigger types of support and resistance. So that's where you want to look at your SPY and Q daily charts and say, hey, if things get too far one way or another, now we can lean on that, as opposed to my 3-minute chart there, or 5-minute or 10-minute, whatever you use to day trade on that. So I always say, as Powell's speaking, I pull my allocation all the way back to one lots. I know that's, it's not exactly exciting, but what's least exciting is losing a bunch of money on full allocation when you are throwing your orders into a market that's all over the place. So survive these type of moves. Don't just try and be a hero. That's kind of that's the way that I approach these days. Let the fallout, we'll deal with this for the rest of the week, and there'll be plenty of trade. Don't get run over on a day like today.
Great tips on trading the Fed, Mike. Thank you.
Always a pleasure. Thanks a lot.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.